The second part of part 2 of the AB practical demonstration says 6 of the following 14 knots must be tied. And we're going to tie a running bowline, figure 8, carrick bend, round turn 2 half hitches, rolling hitch, and the double becket bend. So let's get started with those. The running bowline. Running bowline is just a bowline with a line through it, right? So we'll start by making a regular bowline, right? Around, through, around the back through, and then tighten it up. And what you do is put the line back through it. You'll have to kind of rotate it a little bit, but now what you have is a running bowline, and it'll tighten on things. So it's just a bowline with a line through it. You have a running bowline. All right, the second one is figure 8 knot. It's pretty simple. It's kind of like a granny knot, you know, your granny knot, but with another bend. So you take it and go around the back through. So it looks like an 8, figure 8 knot. Stopper knot, some people call it. Good. Now we are on a carrick bend. The carrick bend, you need two ends, and get one end arranged like this, and now the other one goes under it like this. That's how you start it. And then it goes over this, under this, over, under, over. And it looks like this. Interesting thing about this now, when you pull it tight, it flips and it creates like two bowline looking. So when hard loads are put in this, it'll still come undone. Okay, round turn and 2 half hitches. Round turn and 2 half hitches is a really effective and basic way to tie things to a pole. So if you get a pole like this, you just go. So this is considered a turn if you just went around it halfway like this, a 180. But if you do a 360, that's a round turn. And that is the round turn part of the round turn and 2 half hitches. So you do a round turn, then come across and through, right? There's 1 half hitch, go over, through again. Need some slack. There we go. Round turn and 1 half hitch, same half hitch again, through there. Now we have a round turn and 2 half hitches. I don't know if you can see, but it kind of makes a clove hitch if you do it right. That's a round turn, 2 half hitches. A rolling hitch. A rolling hitch is a lot like the clove hitch. You just go around and you go a full turn instead of a half turn. So you do a round turn, over, then through itself. So it'll have 2 on the left and 1 on the right. Still come out parallel like this. And we have a double becket bend is the last one. Now if you tie these 6 knots that I'm tying, you're going to pass this second part of part 2. So for a double becket bend, also known as a double sheet bend, you'll take 1/2 the line, make a bite like this, and then you come out, around the back, and then go under, and now go around the back again, and go under, and then pull. See how there's 2? That's a double becket bend or double sheet bend. It's good for joining 2 lines of different sizes. That is 6 of 14 knots.